Now for the slip knot, you want to wrap it around 2 fingers and pull it through. Retry it again, wrap it around your fingers and pull it through. Now place it on your hook and then pull it tight. Now for the chain stitch, wrap it around once and pull it through. When doing a slip stitch and you're starting a new row, you'll have to skip a loop. The loop you're using, the first loop, the second loop. This one you'll be using. Skip the first one and insert into the second one. Pull the yarn over and pull it through. Now you'll see 2 loops. Pull this one through the second one. Okay, do it again. Pull the yarn over and pull it through. You'll see 2 loops. Pull the first one through the second one. Just like the slip stitch, when you're starting a new row, you want to skip the first loop. The first loop, the second loop. This one you'll be using. Push the needle through, wrap the yarn over, and pull it through. You'll have 2 threads. But unlike the slip stitch, a single crochet, you wrap it once and pull it through both loops. Push the needle in, wrap it once. You'll see 2 loops, wrap it again, and pull it through both. For the double crochet, you'll be doing something different than the previous stitches. You'll wrap the yarn around the needle first. Push the needle through, wrap the yarn around, and pull it through. Now you'll have 3 loops on your needle. You're going to want to wrap the yarn around and pull through the first 2 loops, leaving 2 on your needle. Wrap the needle and pull it through both. Again, wrap the yarn around, put it through the loop, wrap it around again, 3 loops on the needle, pull through the first 2, 2 loops left. Now pull through both of them. A half double crochet is similar to a double crochet. You will start by wrapping the needle once before putting it through the loop. Push it through. Wrap the yarn over and pull it through. You will see 3 loops, but unlike the double crochet, you will be pulling it through all 3 loops. Again, wrap the yarn over the needle, push it through, wrap it over again, pull it through. Now pull through all 3. A decrease is combining 2 loops together with a single crochet, and since we're starting a new row, we'll be skipping a loop. So chains 2 and 3 will be combined. Put your needle through the second one, and then the third one. Wrap the yarn over the needle and pull it through. You'll have 2 loops on your needle, wrap it around, and pull through both of them. Again, combine 2 loops together. Put your needle through the first one, and then the second one. Wrap the yarn over the needle and pull through both. You'll have 2 loops on your needle, wrap the yarn over, and pull them through both. an increase instead of combining 2 loops together, we will crochet 2 times into the same loop. Put the needle through, wrap the yarn over, and pull it through. With 2 loops on your needle, you wrap the yarn again and pull it through. Instead of going on to the next loop, you will be crocheting into the same loop. Put the needle through the same loop, wrap the yarn around, and pull it through. 2 loops on there, wrap the yarn around, and pull through both. A magic ring is the most common stitch that you'll be using when making animals. To start, wrap the yarn around your finger 3 times. Place the needle underneath the first 2 pieces of yarn and hook the third. Pull back and twist up. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through. Again, place the hook underneath the first 2 pieces of yarn and hook the third. Pull back, twist up. The number of single crochets will vary depending on your instructions. For this demonstration, we'll be doing 6 single crochets. The first stitch we did will not count towards this. This single crochet makes 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now pull on the tail end of the yarn until the first loop begins to close. Now pull on the top of that loop and close the second one completely. Pull the tail again and close that loop. Now use your needle to perform a slip stitch to close the circle. Now you will see 6 loops of stitches on the outside of the circle. When making your animals, you eventually are going to have to do a color change. To do this, go halfway through a stitch and leave 2 on the needle. Now grab the yarn that you're going to be making the color change with, place it on the back, and twist it up to the top. Hook the new color and pull it through the 2 loops. Now continue to do your single crochets as normal.